Hey everyone, my name is Leo and today we are going to talk about this, and these are power banks made by Tesla. We are talking about this not because they are made by Tesla, but because we are looking at this thing from the perspective of a product, and as a product this thing is probably one of the best power banks on the market right now. It's not the biggest power bank, but definitely it is very thoughtful. So let's start from the unboxing and let's switch to other stuff a little bit later. And yeah, sure, this power bank looks pretty, but it's not about the look, it's about how it functions, it's about its usability, and this power bank is probably one of the best power banks I've had in my life. And it's not because it's made by Tesla, it's because the design of it is absolutely mind-blowing. Let me show you that. So you have your phones that you need to charge and you have your power banks. You connect them together and your phone will start charging because it supports MagSafe. It will stay on the back of your phone exactly as it should. But what if I tell you that you can use this little thing also as a nightstand? So you unfold this piece and you can put the phone like so, but also at the same time, this surface here is a key charger too. So you can put your AirPods here and start charging them as well. And they will start charging with no any issues whatsoever. So you are charging both devices at the same time. But again, it's not the end of it, because also they have a USB cable here. So technically you can connect another device like an iPad mini, for example, and charge it at the same time as you charge your phone and AirPods. But it also has a USB-C port here that you can use to charge another device with an extra cable. But what if I tell you that you can charge up to 4 devices with this little power bank and charge it at the same time? You know why? Because it has a key charger on the back of it as well, and you can put it in your car, for example, or on another key charger, and it will start charging itself. So technically you can charge up to 4 devices with this power bank and charge this power bank at the same time, which is mind-blowing. We have here our power banks, and here we have a pile of devices that I want to test. Also, I will add this third-party power bank to the pile here, and the only reason why I did it is because I want to build a power bank sandwich. And I know it's a pretty goofy idea, but the reason for this is not a practical test. It's kind of an extreme test of this sort of design, because I think the design is cool and it allows you to charge many devices at the same time and charge itself at the same time. And this is what we're going to test. Okay, so the first things first, this is the first power bank and it's on. Then we will put this one on top and it's charging, and we'll put this one on top. Here, will it go? Yes, and it is charging too. It's ridiculous. Both of them are charging on top of each other. So now, what can we do with it? Let me open this thing real quick. I also have these USB-C cables just to connect them quickly to the power banks on this side. There we go. And here we go. Looks like Frankenstein, anyway.
Life, do you hear me? Give my creation life!
It goes here. There we go. Okay. Okay. Pixel. iPad Pro. Oh my goodness, it's oh my god, this is so fun. This is so fun. Just take a look at that. Okay, so we have two iPads plugged. We have these Sony headphones, Apple headphones here in the middle. We have an iPhone on the stand. We have a Pixel over there. And everything is charging, and also this power bank is charging from this power bank, and this power bank is charging from that power bank. And this is stupid. This is yeah, I know that you are not going to use anything like that, and most likely you will not be charging more than 2 devices on this power bank, but you totally can do something like this and it'll work, which is quite amazing and so dumb, but at the same time it's kind of showing you the flexibility of this design, which is really great. And because any electric vehicle nowadays has wireless chargers inside of it, you can just throw it on that wireless charger and keep it charged until you really need it, and then grab it and go, and you can rely on this little thing to charge all of your devices that you use right now. And it's definitely not the biggest power bank, but at the same time it's just enough to charge your phone and your AirPods or any other devices. And I love the functionality of this thing. It's very usable. I will keep both of them in both of my Teslas. And this is it for this video. It's not too long for sure. It's a very short condensed video about some cool tech that I found. And if you like it, let me know in the comments if you want to see something like that, because I think this tech is pretty cool. It is pretty usable in your car, because for me it was always a problem if you go somewhere and you need to charge your phone, or you need to charge something with your phone somewhere and you need to figure it out and stuff like that. This thing make it easy, and this is the most important. So let me know if you like this format or not. But for now, thank you very much for your time and see you later.